In this video, I'll show you how you can wishlist on Temu. Now this is actually pretty easy. I'll show you how you can do it on your PC, and if you're using the app on your phone, you can just do the same steps just on your phone. So what you want to do is you want to find the item that you want to wishlist, and for this video I'll just choose something random. So in my case, I'll just choose this one, and once you've done that, let's do this. Once you found the item and you're on the product page, what you want to do is scroll down right here, and when you come down to the details section, you will see a save button. So if I click on the save button, you'll see it says save to wishlist, and then if I hover my profile and go to wishlist, I will see everything on my wishlist. So that is basically how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.